If you encounter suspicious activity on eToro, it's important to report it promptly to ensure a safe trading environment. Follow these steps to report any concerns effectively. Step 1. Log into your eToro account. Access your eToro account by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the Help Center. Once logged in, locate the Help Center. This can typically be found in the main menu or footer of the website or app. The Help Center contains resources and options for reporting issues. Step 3. Select Report a Problem. In the Help Center, look for the option labeled Report a Problem or similar. This section will guide you through the process of reporting suspicious activity. Step 4. Provide details of the suspicious activity. Fill out the reporting form with as much detail as possible. Include information such as the nature of the suspicious activity, any usernames involved, and specific dates or times when the activity occurred. Step 5. Submit your report. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy and then submit your report. You should receive a confirmation that your report has been received, along with any further instructions if necessary. By following these steps, you can help maintain the integrity of the eToro platform. Always stay vigilant and report any concerns you may have.